Hello, today in this video I will be explaining how to use Python code to save a 3D video using Emalytics preclinical software. In this tutorial I'll be using a gated cardiac CT scan of a mouse and explain in detail the Python script. The main goal of this tutorial is to understand how to capture 3D images using Python and as an example how to create a video using these images. Now let's dive into the script. In the constructor of this class, we initialize the dimension of the video, namely the width, height, and duration of the video. We also initialize variables to store the color and depth information which will be used later. The function rotate and draw 3D view is used to rotate the 3D view in Emalytics software to capture the image in our script. The step angle used for rotation is calculated from the total video duration, rotation degree, and frames per second. We now create a transformation matrix for the rotation using the step angle we calculated above, the rotation axis, and current 3D viewing center. We now update the view with new camera information. Next step is to capture the image and save it using our script. This can be achieved by using the draw3d function mentioned here. We use draw3d method from the Emalytics app to capture the color and depth information from the Emalytics software. Now we can manipulate the self.image and self.depth variable as we need, for example, using NumPy. Here in this tutorial, we save only the color images into a folder that will be used for creating a video in the below function createMovie. In the function createMovie, we use the JPEG images we captured before to create an MP4 video. In the script, we use OpenCV library to create a movie. Now let's execute a script and see a demo. The location of the script can be found by going to Tutorials, Python, Rotate Video 3D, and clicking on the Info button. Before executing the script, we need to load the dataset, and that can be achieved by clicking the Load Example Dataset button shown here. Next, we can enable the 3D view in order to see the changes. And then click on Python, Run Script, and select the Python script which can be found in the location shown here. Upon selecting it and clicking Open, we can see the progress of the execution of our script. The final location of the video can be found as shown in this notification. Upon going there, we can see our video created. As you can see, we have a nice video containing the rotation of the 3D image. The script can be used as a reference to implement your own logic on 3D images. With that, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for listening to this tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Our contact information can be found on our website. Have a nice day.